Good morning, YouTube. We're looking at a 2009 Dodge Challenger RT. Picked this up as an auction car. Actually, a dealer had it, but he bought it at an auction. He didn't want to do the work to it, so I got it at a pretty decent price. First thing you'll notice, it does have a cracked windshield. Has a little bit of issue here on the paint. Nothing major though. See, they have a notation about the parking brake. We'll check that out. Does have some rust down here on both sides, of course. But this car comes equipped with a moonroof. We live down a dirt road, unfortunately, so she's rather dirty right now. We did drive it home last night. Has some suspension issues. That's probably going to be the number one thing we're going to get into today. Get underneath of it, see what she looks like, and go from there. But updates coming.